Hi, my name is Andrej Prokes and I'm the chef consultant for the chef brand Braised Veal Cheeks with some Grebiche and some lovage puree, some white asparagus and some hazelnut. So starting on with the cheeks, we're going to braise them. So basically we're going to sear them, coat them on both sides, nice in color. And we're going to be using one of our veal stocks. So once they're seared off, rest them on a tray and then braise them in the oven by 180 degrees, roughly about between 2 to 2.5 hours. So now next step is going to be, we're going to be cooking white asparagus. So cooking white asparagus, we get a pot of water, seasoning all this, basically all the peelings from the white asparagus into that water, a bit of a bread to take the bitterness out. So the next step what we're going to be doing is going to be a lovage puree. So we are going to be blanching some lovage with some spinach in hot boiling water, shock it in ice and then juice it and basically thicken it up so it gets a nice green color. Next step is now, as we have the chlorophyll now, which is the puree. Get it in the pan. You got some corn flour and water and then thicken it up slowly. We're going to make our own Grebiche. So I'm going to show you how to do a Grebiche, which is basically mayonnaise, egg yolks, egg whites cooked with some pickled mustard. We've got some cornichons, some capers, some fresh herbs like tarragon and parsley. We've got some little bit of a creme fraiche. That's going to be all combined together and it's going to be set on one of those trays. You put it in the fridge, let it set. So we've braised the cheeks now in the oven by 180 degrees for about 2.5 hours. Now we're taking them out and we're going to finish them with some red wine and port wine paste to get a little bit more stronger wine flavor into the sauce. Got the Grebiche here set, take it out, out of the cling film. Start plating the dish, so getting the cheeks on with the lovage puree, lovely sauce covering the cheeks, some asparagus, some hazelnuts on top of the asparagus, and then just last minute, just deep fry the Grebiche.